Now, do you want to buy Australian stock exchange listed, exchange traded funds with big dividend yields? Well, here's our top 3 to buy. Hello, I'm Rachel Jones and you're watching Kalkine Media. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, include a basket of securities that trade on exchange. Its features are similar to mutual funds. ETFs listed on the ASX offer exposure to various markets and assets. These include overseas share markets, fixed income, foreign currencies and commodities. Let's take a look at 3 ETFs offering high dividend yields. iShares S&P 500 Australian Dollar Hedged ETF aims to provide investors with the market performance before fees and expenses. The fund invests in companies listed in the US and Canada. Around 75% of the securities in this fund are from these regions. The fund has a net asset of $597 million. 99.53% of the securities within the fund are stocks, and the remaining 0.79% are in cash. The fund includes 513 companies and has geographic exposure in regions such as China, Singapore, Switzerland, the United Kingdom and the US. In financial year 2021, the fund provided a final dividend of $91.98 per unit on the 13th of July. It has an annual dividend yield of 21.3%, and on the 12th of October, IHVV units were trading at $425.49. That's down 4% on the previous close. Vanguard MSCI Index International Shares ETF tracks the MSCI World ex-Australia return with net dividends reinvested hedged into Australian dollars index before considering fees, expenses and tax. The fund has a net asset of $1.76 billion. This ETF has exposure to several global businesses listed on the exchange of major developed economies. These include Canada, Denmark, France, Germany, Japan, the Netherlands, Sweden, Switzerland, Britain and the US. It offers low-cost access to a widely diversified range of securities that let investors participate in the growth potential of international firms listed outside of Australia. The fund is hedged to Australian dollars so that the returns of the ETFs stay unaffected in case of currency fluctuations. In financial year 2021, the ETF has provided a final dividend of $6.50 per unit on the 16th of July. It has an annual dividend yield of 11.03%, and on the 12th of October, the units were trading at $85.82. That's down 0.72% from the previous close. Now, Vanguard International Fixed Interest Index Hedged ETF monitors the return of the Bloomberg Global Treasury Scaled Index, hedged into Australian dollars prior to considering account fees, expenses and tax. It provides low-cost exposure to premium income-generating securities issued by governments worldwide. The fund invests in fixed income securities with credit rating between BBB- to AAA. These ratings are decided by S&P or some equivalent agency. Its geographic exposure comprises of countries like Belgium, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, South Korea, Spain, the UK and the US. The fund has a net asset of $516 million and includes 1,099 companies. The fund has an annual dividend yield of 9.41%, and on the 12th of October, their units were trading at $43.93, trading flat as compared to the previous close. So there are some ASX listed exchange traded funds with big dividend yields. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for notifications for our latest videos. This is Rachel signing off for Kalkine Media.